So this is the Toyota Camry. So I spent an hour, actually it was from 10:35, 10:37 to 11:47, removing this, disconnecting this, that, and removing the whole grill that was here, the wiper motor, the wipers, and this thing here, and this. So that's where the wiper motor sits. This is what covers it, and then the wipers. And then now I'm getting ready to get back there and remove the manifold so that I can replace the spark plugs and the ignition coils. So the last thing to take out was the manifold, and that was a beast. I mean, there was some screw right over there I had to take out, and then there was another one right here, and that was quite something. Anyway, so now I'm back there.